Let's quickly talk about our Comfort Fit bamboo underscarves. So these are a tube underscarf. However, we made it extra long on the top so that it covers the hair in the back, because most tube underscarves that are on the market kind of just end about right there and they really don't cover the back of the hair. So this will give you the security knowing that your hair in the back is covered. It's made of bamboo material, which is extremely soft. It's really good for your hair. It's moisture wicking. It's hypoallergenic, antibacterial, and it's just like the softest material you'll ever feel. We also created our tube Comfort Fit underscarves to have a slit at the base of the neck. So I'm going to show you when I put it on and the reason why we did that. Okay, so I obviously put it on top of my hijab so I can show you for demonstration purposes. So number one, all of the hair in the back here is covered. And then here you can actually see normal tube underscarves are completely sewn like this. They're sealed like this in the back. We designed ours with a slit so that you get extra comfort. You won't get those like tension headaches, you won't get those ear aches. It's made for comfort. Not only is the material like that, but also the design itself. That's why we call it the Comfort Fit. And we have them available in 3 neutral shades. So we have the nude, which is called cappuccino. We have the black, which we call Nanaimo. And we have the white, which is called snow. So these, you just need all 3 and that's it. And then your entire hijab collection will match with these.